Hi guys, if you are looking for a way to grow your hair, this channel is the right place to be. In this video, I'll be using only 2 ingredients to help you make your own scalp spray that's going to help boost your hair growth, strengthen your hair, and also protect your scalp. Our first ingredient is black seed. Guys, black seed can also be called black cumin and is very good. It's somehow rare, it's not really talked about, but the benefit of this seed is tremendous. You can use black seed to make an oil. You can also use it as a mask. I always love to use it as a spray. Our next most powerful ingredient is cloves. Guys, these herbs are all available in your kitchen. Like, it's so crazy that you can use ingredients in your kitchen to promote hair growth. That is if you have the right knowledge, but if you don't know, you may never use it. So cloves is also very potent. It helps promote hair growth, it helps heal the scalp, it also helps strengthen the hair. So if you're experiencing excess breakage, you're having sudden breakage, you don't really know what is causing it, please try improving your hair growth with cloves and black seed spray. So it's important to do it in small batches so that you are able to use it and for it not to go bad. So you can see that I just used just a little water so that it doesn't go bad or something like that. Yes. So right after here, I leave it to sit for about 30 minutes and then I come back for it to infuse. You can notice a different color, like a color change. It means that the herbs have been well infused into the water. I get my spray bottle ready and then it's now time to transfer it into my spray bottle. This is the simplest hair growth remedy you can make for yourself anytime. It doesn't really take long. If you like, you can just boil it or you can just do with this method. I added some few drops of hair growth oil. It's very optional. If you like, you don't need to add it. It's really optional. If you have it, you can add. If you don't have, you can just make the spray like that and then apply it to your hair and scalp. So guys, if you are having hair breakage, you can use it every day on your scalp and then apply your hair growth oil. You can use it as a moisturizer. If you want to pre-poo your hair, you can just use it to moisturize your hair a bit. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this hair growth recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if this is the first time you're stopping by. Thank you for watching. Bye.